Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It has a diameter of approximately 12,104 kilometers, or 7,521 miles. The mass of Venus is about 4.87 times 10 to the 24th kilograms, which is roughly 0.815 times the mass of Earth. Its surface gravity is 8.87 meters per second squared, which is about 90% of Earth's gravity. A day on Venus lasts 243 Earth days due to its retrograde rotation, meaning it rotates in the opposite direction to most planets, making its day longer than its year. The length of a year on Venus is 225 Earth days, which is also its orbital period. Venus has an axial tilt of about 177.4 degrees, meaning it rotates almost completely upside down. The surface temperature on Venus is around 467 degrees Celsius, or 872 degrees Fahrenheit, making it hotter than Mercury, despite being farther from the Sun. Its atmosphere is thick and toxic, composed mainly of carbon dioxide, about 96.5%, with traces of nitrogen, around 3.5%. The atmosphere also contains clouds of sulfuric acid. The surface pressure on Venus is about 92 times that of Earth's, equivalent to the pressure found 900 meters, or 3,000 feet, underwater on Earth. Venus has a rocky surface with plains, mountains, and volcanic features. Because the surface is obscured by thick clouds, it has been mapped using radar. Venus is home to many volcanoes, including some large shield volcanoes, such as Mont Mons and Sif Mons. It is believed that Venus may have some active volcanism. The planet also has some large mountain ranges, like the Maxwell Montes, which are comparable in height to Earth's Himalayas. Venus has relatively few impact craters compared to other planets, suggesting that its surface is relatively young and has been resurfaced by volcanic activity. Atmospheric phenomena. The thick atmosphere creates a strong greenhouse effect, trapping heat and making Venus the hottest planet in the solar system. The clouds are made up of droplets of sulfuric acid and reflect most of the sunlight, making Venus one of the brightest objects in the sky when viewed from Earth. High-altitude winds can reach speeds of up to 360 kilometers per hour, circulating the planet in a super-rotational manner faster than the planet itself rotates. Exploration. Venus has been visited by several spacecraft, including NASA's Mariner and Magellan missions, the Soviet Union's Venera program, and more recently, ESA's Venus Express. These missions have provided much of what we know about Venus's surface and atmosphere. NASA, ESA, and other space agencies are planning more missions to Venus, including atmospheric probes and landers, to better understand its geology and climate. Interesting facts. Venus rotates in the opposite direction to most planets. So if you were standing on its surface, the sun would rise in the west and set in the east. The combination of high temperatures, crushing pressure, and corrosive atmosphere makes Venus a very hostile environment for exploration. Venus is often called the evening star or morning star because of its bright appearance and visibility at dawn and dusk. Venus remains one of the most intriguing planets in our solar system, with its extreme conditions and mysterious geology providing ample opportunities for scientific discovery.